Hi, I'm Chloe from Brit+Co. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. I'm so excited to chat with you. I wanted to chat with you since I binge watched like all of the Durrells in Corfu in 2019. So
Oh,
I'm so
cool.
excited to chat about rebuilding. This is such a beautiful film. And to start, I would say that there's nothing like more quintessentially American than the West. And I'm curious for you if there's anything about American culture that actually like confuses you or you don't really understand.
I no, I don't. No, I mean, you have to remember that we sort of grew up with American culture on our television screens. So, what's I'd say the biggest confusion for me is that, and from a lot of British people, I would say, is that you come over to America and it feels anywhere you go feels like you're on the set of a movie. And so there's a little bit of jarring there. The other thing that is extraordinary is fast food in America. That's my biggest sort of passion,
Yeah.
and just discovering new ones. And where I was living in the San Luis Valley when I was making this movie, there was a whole strip of like exciting new fast food adventures to be had. Jimmy John's, I discovered on this film. Love
Okay.
Jimmy John's.
Love Jimmy John's.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
I was gonna ask, so I'm glad that you just said
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
I
yeah. That's a
love
great one. Another one I love, but it wasn't there in the San Luis Valley, is Skyline, which is it's like an Ohio one, I think. Cincinnati, yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
okay. I'm gonna add that one.
Skyline chili. It's terrific. Yeah.
Okay, I'll have to add it to my list.
Sorry, nothing to do with this movie, but
Um, I'm also curious, I would love to just hear if you have a favorite memory from spending time on set, off camera with Megan and Lily, because I love those scenes where the three of you are together. There's just so much like emotional connection that you can tell comes through the screen.
well, yeah. I mean, this film as a whole was. I mean, we shot it during the strike, the SAG
Mm.
strike, and we had an exemption. We made the film for very little. It was a very small crew, and we were, yeah, in the middle of nowhere. I mean, the way you got there was you flew into Denver and then drove 4.5 hours, and it's a very agricultural landscape, very dramatic landscape. And so myself, Lily, Megan, the guys, from the community, the local community, and the crew, we were extremely close.
Mm.
And so there's so many memories. A particularly beautiful one was, in the FEMA camp, that every single night we were shooting. We were shooting there for a couple of weeks straight. Every single night, behind these gorgeous mountains, we'd have some of the most beautiful sunsets I've ever witnessed. And you'd see lightning in the distance because it's so flat in
Mm.
this bowl
Yeah.
and surrounded by mountains. You could see light. Some nights you'd see lightning on your to the east, and then you'd see a rainbow north, and then you'd have an incredible sunset, in the other direction. It was like crazy. So those were particularly special moments.
I love that. That's actually the perfect segue to the next question because I was going to say there are so many shots of this film
Mm.
where it just reminded me of those moments, kind of like you're talking about, where you're surrounded by nature or you're just surrounded by people that you love and you just want time to kind of stop. And that really came through even through just like the cinematography. And obviously, your character talks so much about memory as well. And I'm curious whether on this film or another moment of your career, is there just something that you love to remember or you really hope just sticks with you for the rest of your life?
Yeah, I mean, on this film, the whole experience of this film will stay with me for the rest of my life. I mean, it was not every job has the kind of impact that a film like this had.
Yeah.
Again, I think that's partly down to Max Walker Silverman, who's a beautiful soul and kind, and creates these like brilliant communities among his crew. Also, the landscape and everything we've talked about already. Yeah, I mean, it's like a real privilege being an actor. If you're lucky enough, it's a real privilege getting to travel the world and have
Mm.
these really intense, emotional, sometimes spiritual experiences making these movies. And so, Yeah, I don't think, and then on top of that, there's, when you play a character, there's something about that character that stays with you, some more than
Mhm.
others, but yeah, it's kind of that you log them. It's like a friend of mine describes it as like you go through your career collecting souls, and there is a sort of part of it that feels like that.
Yeah, for sure. Well, congratulations on this movie. It looks like that's all the time
Thanks.
that I have, but thank you so much for chatting with me.
Thanks, Chloe. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.